Hi everyone and welcome back to the S&P Saga. I'm your host Jim and this is your weekly recap of the S&P 500 index. We'll reveal the winners and losers that drove 71% of the index performance, which companies will announce earnings next week, and our predictions. Big tech and AI took the spotlight again this week with Apple, Nvidia, Google, and Tesla leading the way. They had strong earnings and rode the wave of excitement around AI, which pushed the whole market up. New US tariffs made investors nervous, but some companies like Apple got breaks, which helped them. Some companies crushed their earnings like Arista and Palantir and their stock jumped, and others like Lilly and VRTX disappointed and saw their shares drop. A weak jobs report made people think that the Fed might cut rates in September, which is good for stocks, but still, worries about slow growth and higher prices kept some investors cautious. Let's jump right into this week's review. The S&P 500 closed the week at $6,389.45, up 2.4% from last week and adding 1.3 trillion of market cap. The P ratio, based on current price and latest earnings, stands at 29.58, down 0.92 points since the last video. Let's go through your gainers. Apple is up $396.9 billion or 13.2%, popping after earnings and then surged again when Apple said that it would invest $100 billion in US manufacturing, erasing tariff worries. Nvidia up $220 billion or 5.2% as the US began granting licenses for Nvidia to export some H20 AI chips to China. Alphabet is up $147.6 billion or 6.4% on continued momentum after an earnings beat and a bigger AI cloud capex plan signaling strong demand. Tesla is up $87.2 billion or 8.9% as the company awarded a $30 billion pay package to its CEO Elon Musk. Amazon is up $85.7 billion or 3.7% as AWS secured a $1 billion US federal cloud deal, offsetting initial post-earnings wobble. Palantir is up $79.3 billion or 21.8% on optimism after the US Army set up a contract pool worth up to $10 billion that Palantir can compete for. Broadcom is up $76.8 billion or 5.7%, moving with the broader AI market. Meta is up $48.5 billion or 2.6%, holding gains after a Q2 beat and stronger than expected Q3 revenue outlook tied to AI-boosted ad tools. Walmart is up $42 billion or 5.3% on no specific news. Arista Networks is up $27.3 billion or 18.5% after Q2 results topped estimates and it guided Q3 revenue above expectations on AI networking demand. Moving on to your losers. Lilly is down $129.8 billion or 18% after data for its oral weight loss drug disappointed investors. Vertex is down $24.7 billion or 20.8% after it halted the next-gen non-opioid pain drug as a solo treatment following a mid-stage trial miss. Fortinet down $17.6 billion or 23.6% after forecasting Q3 sales below estimates and citing trade uncertainty, prompting downgrades. Exxon is down $17 billion or 3.6%, tracking crude prices lower. Berkshire Hathaway is down $15.7 billion or 1.7%, easing after Q2 results related to insurance losses. Microsoft is down $15.4 billion or 0.4% on no specific news. Transdigm Group is down $10.7 billion or 12% after Q3 revenue missed estimates even as guidance was raised. Accenture is down $10.1 billion or 6.4% on no specific news. Salesforce is down $9.8 billion or 4.1% after announcing an investment in Genesis AI with ServiceNow. ServiceNow is down $8.7 billion or 4.6% after the same deal was announced with Salesforce. This week, there were no changes announced to the S&P 500. Q2 2025 earnings continue with 123 members releasing earnings last week and 187 companies left to report. 8 S&P 500 members will release earnings during the week ending August 15th, 2025. And the most interesting will be Cardinal Health on August 12th, Cisco on the 13th, Deere on the 14th, and Applied Materials on August 15th. And now a follow-up on our predictions. Here's how the 9 S&P 500 members that we're tracking are doing so far. Regarding the companies announced on July 27th, Centene is down 10%, Merck is down 5%, and Global Payments is down 6%. Regarding the companies announced on June 28th, LULU is down 19%, Kraft Heinz is up 8%, and UnitedHealth is down 19% as well. Regarding the companies announced on May 30th, Halliburton is up 7%, Norwegian Cruise Line is up 36%, and Expedia Group is up 17%. Which company do you think will top the list next week and why? Let us know in the comments below and subscribe to our weekly updates. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to like this video to spread the word and subscribe to understand which individual stocks impact the S&P 500. To find out why Alphabet and Amazon were up last week, you should watch this video next.